Right. So, what is identity based policy and resource based policy? In AWS, policies are JSON documents that define permissions. They can be attached in two main ways. So, resource based policy and identity based policy. So, the resource based policy, this one, or maybe let's read the identity based policy first and then the resource based policy second. So, identity based policy attached to a user group or role. The identity defines what actions that identity can perform and on which resources. Example, you give an IAM user permission to read write objects in a specific S3 bucket. Think of it as what this identity is allowed to. This lets the user or role read objects from my bucket. Number two, resource based policy. So we're now at the resource based policy. So this is the resource based policy. Oops. Oops. Okay, for the resource based policy, attached directly to a resource like an S3 bucket, S3 bucket, SQSQ, KMS, key, or SNS topic. Defines who, which identity account can access the resource and what actions they can do. Defines who. Defines what actions. Resource defines who, which identity account can access the resource and what actions they do. These policies include principal elements who can access, what this identity allowed to do, who can access what and what they can do. Okay. Let's add let's put object in my bucket. That is the resource. Okay. User groups, resource, what the identity can do, who, principal. Use identity-based policies as your main tool. Add resource-based policies when you need to control access to the resource. resource based policy and the identity based policy. Right, so identity based policy and the resource based policy. Okay, so for this, oops, who can access, oh no, what this user can do, this will include the principal and what the principal can do. Right, so cool. So that's it. Bye bye.